Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are good. Now today I am going to teach you English grammar book, and in English grammar book today I am going to start new chapter number 9, and your chapter name is comparison. So comparison means what you know? Comparison between two things, comparison between two person. Okay. So see here, read these sentences. So here, a tree is taller than a bush. See here, some picture also given here. So first see this picture, okay, and in this picture help us, okay, to understand this topic. The tree is taller than a bush. Here see this one bush, and the tree is taller, this one taller than bush. Okay, here comparison between these two. Okay, now second one, the scale is longer than the pencil. Okay, the scale is longer than the pencil. Okay, so if we comparison between these two, then the pencil is short, the pencil is shorter than the scale, and here given the scale is longer than the pencil. Okay, now third one, see, the pillar is thicker than a lamp post. The pillar is thicker than the lamp post. Okay, so here this one lamp post, okay, and this one pillar. So the pillar is thicker than the lamp post. After that, here see, in fourth question, Pooja is 6 years old and Neha is 8 years old. Neha is older than Pooja. Means, I repeat again, Pooja is 6 years old. Pooja is 6 years old and Neha is 8 years old. Neha is older than Pooja. So here see picture also given, and here C is Neha and C is Pooja, and here the question is, the statement told that Pooja is 6 years old. Pooja is 6 years old and Neha is 8 years old. So Neha is older than Pooja. Okay. Now in fifth, Reena's dress is more beautiful than Seema's dress. Reena's dress is more beautiful than Simi dress. Okay, so here C is Simi and C is Reena. Okay, and here Reena's dress is more beautiful. This one more beautiful than Simi's dress. Okay, now this sentence show comparison between two things. Here what we see? We see that these sentences show comparison between these two things. Okay, so here we show a comparison between two things. We use the ER. We use the ER. Okay, so next one, form the word, or we use more. We often use than also. Okay, so if we comparison between two things, we use ER. See here, all, thicker, longer, taller, older, these all here use ER. OLD, old, and ER here use. Okay, so it's make older. Okay, so if we comparison between two things, we use ER. Okay, so we use ER from the word. Okay, and we use more. We often use than also. Okay, next, here some exercises are given. See here, take the correct words in the bracket. Okay, so see here in bracket some words are given. Okay, and the question is, the table is dash than the stool. Picture also given. See here, first see this picture, and according to this picture you have to answer here. Okay, so the table is bigger than the stool. See here, the table is bigger than the stool, so here we can tick in bigger. Okay, now in second question, the rope is here in bracket, two words are given, shorter and longer. Okay, so here a rope is dash than the belt. See here, this one rope and this one belt. Okay, so we can say that the rope is longer than the belt. The rope is longer than the belt because belt is too short na. Here rope is too long. Okay, so we can say rope is longer than the belt, and here we tick in longer. Okay, now in third question, Sanjay is fatter and thinner. Here two words are given in this bracket. Okay, then Anil. So he, see here, this one, he is Anil and he is Sanjay, but he look what? He look fat and he look thin. So we can say Sanjay is fatter than Anil. Okay, so here Sanjay is fatter than Anil. In fat we can take it. Okay, after that in fourth question, grandfather is here two words, older and younger than father. So you see here pictures also given. So grandfather, obviously grandfather is older than father. Okay, so here older we can take it. Okay, now fifth one, see here, the dictionary is thinner or thicker than the English book. See here dictionary and here English books, and then what we see here, we see the dictionary is thicker than the English book. So here we tick in thicker. Okay, now sixth one, the football is smaller or bigger. Two words are given than the cricket ball. So here the football is bigger than the cricket ball. Okay, now seventh one, the boy is heavier or lighter. Two words given here than the baby. Okay, so see here, the boy is what? His boy. So the boy is his boy. Okay, and his baby. So the boy is heavier than the baby. Okay, now the rabbit is here also two words are given, bigger or smaller. The rabbit is dash than the dog. So see here, obviously the rabbit is what? The rabbit is smaller than the boy. Okay, so this one incorrect, this one correct. Okay, this one correct. Okay, now see here, Shruti's hair is here. See Shrutis, who is Shruti, she is Shrutis and she is Vibhu. Okay, so she is Shruti and her hair is too long. Okay, so we can say that Shruti's hair is longer than Vishu's hair. Okay, so in longer we can take it. Okay, after that the giraffe's neck is shorter or longer than the horse neck. So here see, obviously the giraffe's neck is longer than the horse neck. Okay, so here in longer we can take it. Okay, after that these all we will discuss in next class. Okay, so you all complete this exercise and you all read this topic, okay, properly. Thank you.